I have no idea how this is gonna go, but we're just gonna do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, and everybody in between, we are back with another moment. My name is Malcolm Stories. This is my channel where we do everything fashion, style, beauty, entertainment, pop culture, whatever you want. So if you're subscribed, then you'll be a part of the moment. The vibe of this video is functionality. What's the word? Like productivity. I don't think I can literally do my makeup in 5 minutes. Now I really do have to do a quick face though, because I'm about to get on a Zoom call for another video that's coming up. This is gonna be the fastest face I've ever done. I feel like everyone needs to do their brows. Like, no matter how light of a beat or soft of a face you want, the brows just need to be done. I definitely broke my favorite mirror that I had here on my desk, which is very sad. It broke in transit on my way back home from New York. I'm about to do the arm cross trick. Do you guys know about this? Usually I have both hands to do my brows, but we're just gonna have to make this work. This is gonna be a quick brow too. I'm still just trying to figure out the perfect way to even shape my brows. If you've been following, then you know that my brows have been a journey. Straight up Lewis and Clark style. Sometimes I get them really good though. I'm just gonna fill in and move on. Oh my God, I'm like sweating. Is it the lights? Jesus. See, I already have a good amount of brow hair, so there's hair there. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. It's actually the first and only brow product I've really used. I've been wearing makeup since 2014, 2015, and I didn't start doing my brows until last year, 2020. Can you imagine? I'm just gonna go right to the spot concealing. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Stick Foundation in Nutmeg, but you can use a concealer for this step. You can use any kind of product that will blur out any blemishes. I actually have a few things going on my face right now. First of all, this stick foundation is very full coverage, which is great. Probably like half of what I would usually put on. I have a damp beauty blender. Just blend this out. Honestly, I think you'll be amazed by how little I'm gonna be applying to my face in this video. Since it's full coverage, a little goes a long way. I guess this is what people would call the your skin but better kind of look. This to me is just like literally you have 5 minutes and you need to get out the door. So after foundation, I'm just gonna go in with some powder bronzer. Fenty Beauty Thick Mint has just been a godsend. If you've seen me contour in any of my makeup videos, you know that this is the bare minimum of what I usually do, but spot conceal, put some bronzer over that, just a little bit of chisel, a little bit of warmth. I'm just gonna use the stick foundation and the brush that I usually use, clean these up that way. Just quickly too, like I'm not even gonna go in on the brows. You know what I will do? I'll add some bronzer onto the eyelids. I know a lot of the girls use this trick anyway, but just to have some dimension on the lid, just sweep that same bronzer right in there. Yeah, a little bronzer on the eyelids, and then I'm just going to mascara. Gotta have a good mascara. This is actually from e.l.f., the Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. Everything. I usually use a couple because even though I was blessed with good eyebrow hair, my eyelashes are very difficult to grow. I don't even know how much this mascara costs, but it's probably like nothing because e.l.f. is so affordable. They're affordable, but they're good. Hit the bottoms really quickly. This is usually where I mess up. I get crap everywhere. Okay, mascara on. This is actually your skin but better. I didn't add any contour, I didn't add any highlight. A good spot conceal, a good bronzer, and a good mascara. That can probably get me out of any jam or any questionable situation. I have been enjoying these REESE'S tinted lip balms. I've been taking this shade Chocolate Lovers with me everywhere. I'm gonna add Peanut Butter Lovers on top. I don't usually do this. giving us tint, it's giving us lip, and it's giving us balm. I never thought I would be a tinted lip balm person. Like, I didn't even really see the point. I'm like, girl, just get a lipstick. Yeah, no, I'm all here for it now. I'm gonna use the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later makeup setting spray. This is one of the brands that I have a code with. I will link it down below. It sprays out a significant amount of mist. I can't stand those light misty setting sprays that you just have to like get all up in here and like it's just too much. I like the faint scent. It almost gives me like a gardenia rosacea, like a light peony floral. And we just let this melt into the skin. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the soft glam of it all, if you enjoy the convenience, the productivity. You can always check out some of my other makeup videos. We do full glam here, we do soft glam. Sometimes we'll do like a medium glam. Don't miss out on any more moments. Make sure you click subscribe. Never apologize for being fabulous. And until the next video, until the next experience, and until the next moment. I have been obsessed with chiropractor videos. I'm obsessed. My whole YouTube feed right now is chiropractors. Can you imagine? You would think it would be lashes and dark queens and death drops. There is that too. There's a lot of that too.